That's the needed sister.
So where are you keeping it?
Late Chief took up the initiative to promote my presidential ambition. Believe me, he did not even ask for my permission. Because we have come a very, very long way since our days in Lagos, before even the emergence of the Shagari administration. I was part and parcel of his life. It was part and parcel of life. That was how we grew up. So many people might have been wondering, why did you go so far in the quest for my becoming the president of this country? It is not a relationship that started today or yesterday, but over 3 decades of relationship. And God knows that between Raymond and I, we never had any misunderstanding, even for one moment. And my last presidential ambition was not also the only time he headed, that quest. He did so in the earlier years. So I feel a sense of personal loss and bereavement, just like any other member of the family here. So, of course, I have come with a large number of distinguished people. We have our acting chairman of our party, Ambassador Damagum. We have members of the National Working Committee. We have members of the BOT, and so on and so forth. You want to let the family know that we feel really shocked, and we cannot even come out of the shock up till today, up till now. And but as we all believe, like I said in my message, from God we came, and to Him we shall all return one day. But that one day is not our choice. It's His choice. And today we have come to commiserate with you and to commiserate with ourselves, with each other, for this, as he would say, humongous loss. So, on behalf of all of us here, We want to extend our deepest personal condolences and loss to members of his immediate family, who, no matter how we feel more than we feel. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope and pray that God will give us the fortitude, the strength to bear this loss, which is a loss that it will take us many years, to overcome. But he built institutions. He built human beings. As long as these institutions are alive and those human beings he has built, he has brought up, his life will continue to be living. Because we see in those institutions and human beings he has built a manifestation of late Raymond. Like has been said, he was a true Nigerian to the core. And believe me, I do not know somebody I can match him as far as the belief in the unity and corporate existence of this country is concerned. We shall continue to believe in what he has bequeathed to us. That's the only thing we can do. And also pray for the repose of his soul. And also pray that those he left behind will continue with his mission, his beliefs, when he was alive. We look forward to continue working with you, members of the family, to make sure that we sustain his legacy in whatever form and in whatever manner. So we, on behalf of all of us who have come to commiserate with you this afternoon, we thank you very much, and we continue in prayers and look forward to participating in all the funeral activities as they unfold. So once again, we thank you very much for making us feel part of this family. May God bless us all. Thank you very much.
Go front now. If you don't know.